In 2021, an independent lab called Valley Shore tested sunscreen and found benzene in some of it. Benzene is no joke. It's a group 1 carcinogen on its own, linked to leukemia, a cancer of the blood. They tested almost 300 batches across dozens of brands and found benzene in about a quarter of them, some at several times the legal limit. A few months later, Johnson & Johnson recalled several Neutrogena and Aveeno spray sunscreens off the shelves. On the surface, this looks like the case is closed. Cancer chemical and real sunscreen. Recalled, game over. But I'm a dermatopathologist and I don't stop at the surface. I look for the mechanism, and the mechanism flips this entire story on its head. Benzene is not a sunscreen ingredient. It's not in the recipe. Nobody added it on purpose. Benzene is a contaminant. And here's how I know it's contamination and not the formula. The same exact product passed in one batch and failed in another. Think about that. If benzene were part of the recipe, every single bottle would have it. A recipe problem is expected to be consistent. But this was patchy. Some batches were contaminated and dirty, and some were clean in the same product line. And patchy contamination points at the factory line or the pressurized gas in the spray can, not at the sunscreen molecule doing its job. So the problem with benzene is quality control failure at the factory. The fix would be cleaner manufacturing, and one easy move for you. Skip the aerosol sprays, use lotions and sticks instead. You lose zero protection and you dodge the propellant completely. That's the source of the contamination.